Can't enable or disable location settings on your MacBook Neo, or apps not getting location access? Here's the quickest way to fix it. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Then, go to System Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now select Location Services. If Location Services is turned off, simply toggle it on. You might be asked to enter your screen lock password. Go ahead and confirm. Once it's enabled, you'll see a list of apps below. These are all the apps that can request your location. Turn on the toggle for apps you want to allow location access, like Maps or Weather, and turn off any apps you don't want tracking your location. Additionally, go to System Services Details and make sure all the necessary permissions are toggled on, like Suggestion and Search and Time Zone. If Location Services wasn't working before, this usually fixes it instantly. And that's it. Your MacBook Neo now knows exactly where you are, only when you allow it. See you in the next one.